What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for taking the time to tune in and watch the video. Out on the water again for our evening trip today. Got out here probably about 3 o'clock. Got about 4 hours to fish. Super windy, probably 20 to 25 miles an hour wind. It's whipping, but it rained all day yesterday, even into the morning this morning, but it finally quit, and I decided to hit the water for a little while for our evening trip. But it is windy, so I don't know how I'm gonna be able to stay out here and fish, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Probably gonna just throw a spinnerbait today. It's so windy. Spinnerbait's usually pretty good bait to throw. Now if I get up in some pockets where there's no wind, I may throw top water or maybe a crankbait or something, but as long as this wind's blowing, I'm gonna throw that spinnerbait. If this is your first time here, I'm Brian. You're watching the Dude Fish channel. Welcome to the channel, guys. So guys, y'all come along with me and let's catch some fish. Pretty good fish, guys. Come off on the spinnerbait. About a 2-pounder probably. Look, a good one, guys. Smashed that spinnerbait. Look like a real good one. Good spotted bass. As soon as it hit the water, cranked it about twice, he hammered it. Thought he was bigger than that, but pretty good spot. Wind's blowing about 25 miles an hour, so the only bait I'm gonna throw today is a spinner bait right here. Same one I'm always using, Booyah 3/8 ounce willow leaf. Got a trailer hook on it. Come off, guys. He was small. Fish right there, guys. Oh, it's a stinking catfish. Catfish. Ah, I broke my line. Alright guys, it's almost dark, probably about 45 minutes. Wind calmed down pretty good bit. Start throwing the Frittside 5 little guy. I missed a couple on it. A largemouth. Hopefully I can get a couple before dark. That wind was whipping pretty good though. It's calmed down a pretty good bit, so we'll see what happens. small one, guys. Fit up a shed. Got into a little small school of them. All right, guys, that's it for today's trip. Didn't do too good today. Got out here late, probably about 3 o'clock. Had a lot of wind. Wind blowing about 25 miles an hour. Blew me around a little bit. I tried to find some areas with some protected areas, but there wasn't no fish up in there in the protected areas. So caught a few. Had one good keeper spot on a spinnerbait. Caught a few small ones on a spinnerbait, and the wind died down right before dark. So I started throwing a Fritz-side 5 and caught 3 or 4 little small ones. I don't even think they would measure, but did catch a few, and good to get out on the water and wet a hook. So I'm loaded up. I'm about to head to the house. Appreciate y'all watching and sticking with me. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.